Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. In the early 1960s, the quest for a superior heavy jet transport began, aimed at eclipsing the Douglas C-133 Cargo Master and complementing the Lockheed C-141 Starlifters. The U.S. Army's need for a larger cargo bay to transport their diverse, outsized equipment spurred the development of the CXX design in 1963, evolving from the earlier six-engined CX-4 concept. This new design boasted 4 engines and remarkable specs: a gross weight of 550,000 pounds, a payload capacity of 180,000 pounds, and a cruising speed of Mach 0.75. Adopting high bypass turbofan engines, a cutting-edge choice at the time, was pivotal for achieving the required thrust and fuel efficiency. This groundbreaking project, later known as the C-5, not only transformed military aviation, but as General Duane H. Cassidy highlighted, indirectly propelled advancements in commercial aviation, especially with the development of the TF-39 engine. The selection process, fiercely competitive, saw Lockheed emerge victorious with its cost-effective design in 1965, paving the way for an aviation milestone. As the C-5 Galaxy's journey progressed from conceptual blueprints to tangible might in the skies, the focus shifted to refining its capabilities through advanced technology and engineering. The story of the C-5's variants is not just about size or power, but a testament to the relentless pursuit of avionic aviation and functionality. Each successive model, from the original C-5A to the ambitious C-5M Super Galaxy, represents a leap forward in military aviation technology, particularly in the realm of avionics upgrades. The C-5A, the progenitor of this lineage, set the stage with its impressive dimensions and capabilities, serving as a foundational platform for subsequent enhancements. Despite initial setbacks like wing structure issues, solutions and upgrades were rapidly implemented, showcasing the Air Force's commitment to maintaining the C-5's status as a premier airlift asset. The story continues with the C-5B and its further refined avionics, stronger wings, and more efficient engines, marking a significant upgrade from its predecessor. However, the narrative of progress doesn't end there. Specialized variants like the C-5C were introduced, tailored for unique missions requiring immense cargo spaces, further diversifying the C-5's utility. And as technology marched on, so did the C-5, with the introduction of the Avionics Modernization Program, AMP, and the subsequent C-5M Super Galaxy, a pinnacle of military transport innovation with state-of-the-art avionics, significantly enhanced performance, and a renewed life for this stalwart of the skies. In this journey from the C-5A to the C-5M, the Galaxy's evolution vividly illustrates how avionic advancements have not just improved an aircraft, but transformed it into a symbol of American air power and technological prowess. The continuous advancement of the C5 Galaxy variants, each more sophisticated than the last, necessitates a corresponding evolution in training protocols to ensure both crew and aircraft are primed for any conceivable scenario. This aspect of readiness is not just about mastering flight mechanics, but also encompasses a comprehensive preparedness for diverse operational situations. A prime example of this multifaceted training approach is the exercises conducted by Aeromedical Evacuation Squadron, AES. In these high-fidelity simulations aboard the C5M Super Galaxy, AES personnel engage in intricate medical scenarios, replicating the intense and unpredictable conditions of real-world medical emergencies. These training missions are crucial. They keep the medical team's skills sharp and responsive, ensuring that they are always ready to provide critical care in the air. This aspect of training is indispensable, as it bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application, ensuring the AES team's proficiency and preparedness for any eventuality. This commitment to comprehensive training underscores the multifunctional role of the C5 Galaxy, not just as a transport behemoth, but also as a vital component in the broader spectrum of military operations, including critical medical interventions. The rigorous training exercises, such as those conducted by the Aeromedical Evacuation Squadron, are just one facet of the comprehensive preparation that keeps the C5 Galaxy mission ready. Equally critical to this readiness is the meticulous process of pre-flight checks, an indispensable routine that ensures the aircraft's optimal performance and safety in every mission. Before each flight, a thorough examination of the C5's vital components is conducted, with particular attention to its powerhouse engines, the robust landing gear hydraulics, and the sophisticated flight avionics systems. These pre-flight inspections are not mere formalities, but essential procedures guaranteeing the aircraft's integrity and functionality. The engine checks involve assessing not just the mechanical aspects, but also software integrity and performance metrics. The scrutiny extends to the landing gear hydraulics, ensuring smooth operations in both takeoffs and landings, and the avionics systems, which are the nerve center of the aircraft, controlling navigation, communication, and other critical flight systems. This diligent process of pre-flight checks is a testament to the unwavering commitment to safety and reliability, pivotal in maintaining the C5 Galaxy's status as a cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic airlift capability. Apart from the comprehensive training exercises that prepare crews for a variety of scenarios, another crucial aspect in ensuring the C5 Galaxy's operational readiness is its meticulous maintenance process. This extensive and detailed procedure is vital for keeping the aircraft in peak condition. Maintenance on a C5 is not just a routine check. It's a thorough and complex operation essential for the aircraft's longevity and performance. A key focus of this maintenance regimen is examining and testing the control surfaces, including the rudders and ailerons. These components are crucial for the aircraft's maneuverability and stability in flight. Ensuring their proper functioning is not just about mechanical efficiency, but also about ensuring the safety of every mission. The process involves intricate checks and balances, testing each component's responsiveness and integrity. Maintaining the C-5's landing gear possesses significant challenges due to its immense size and weight, especially when addressing the landing gear. Weighing a staggering 380,000 pounds when empty, the aircraft requires specialized equipment to lift it off the ground for maintenance tasks. This is where 6 powerful fuselage jacks comes into play, each capable of lifting more than 60 tons. These jacks are carefully placed at key points along the aircraft, the front, middle, and rear, to distribute their weight evenly and ensure a stable and secure lifting operation. The importance of these jacks in enabling efficient maintenance cannot be overstated. They provide technicians with the access needed to service various components and systems precisely and expertly. Although lifting the C-5 with these jacks is a lengthy process, it's critical to the aircraft's thorough and ongoing maintenance regimen. After these comprehensive maintenance activities, a final but crucial step is to test and verify the functionality of all systems. This ensures that every part of the aircraft, from its engines to its smallest sensor, is fully operational and meets the stringent standards required for the C-5 to return to action. This detailed process reflects the high standards of care and precision fundamental to the operational success and longevity of one of the Air Force's most significant assets. Another pivotal element in the C-5 Galaxy's operational framework is the specialized training exercises for flight engineers and loadmasters. These professionals play crucial roles in the aircraft's operation, where flight engineers are responsible for monitoring and managing the aircraft's complex systems, and loadmasters oversee the loading, balancing, and safety of the cargo. Their training is tailored to equip them with the skills and knowledge necessary for these highly specialized tasks, blending theoretical learning with practical, hands-on experience. This training ensures that flight engineers can adeptly handle the myriad of technical challenges presented during flights. At the same time, loadmasters are proficient in optimizing cargo space and maintaining the aircraft's center of gravity. The C-5 Galaxy's remarkable capabilities and role as a linchpin in the U.S. Air Force's airlift capacity results from an intricate tapestry of elements. From the rigors of maintenance, ensuring every gear and gauge is in prime condition, to the specialized training of flight engineers and loadmasters. Each aspect plays a pivotal role. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.